Here's a beauty, 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon. First thing that jumps out at you on this one is paint color. It's Tangerine Candy House of Color paint. Just a beautiful look on this car. You can see how nice and straight this is too, but great luster. The video and the pictures really don't do this one justice when you see it up in person. As you can see, chrome, bright work, outstanding on this car. Just a clean look, some really nice options the way this is set up. It was built right. Speaking of build, it was a frame-off restoration that was completed between the 2012-2003 calendar year. Under the hood, small block Chevy powered 350 that is paired with a 700 R4, so you have automatic with overdrive transmission. And a lot of the more modern amenities in a car. You can have power steering, power brakes, AC. We got four-wheel disc brakes as well as power. A little over 3,000 miles on this since it's built. Interior, power windows, power seats both sides, cruise control, tilt column, wipers work on this car. Just a beauty. So this one would be fun. Get in and take it down the road. Drive out like a more modern era car. S10 rear end in it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check underneath this car, check out the interior. Still pictures can be seen on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. You can see shaved door handles. It does have a Rodtronics key fob system to it that will pop both driver and passenger door. And look at how clean a setup this is. And when I get around to the driver's side, I'm going to show you the dash and how everything's done up. It's kind of a beige to cream interior, oatmeal maybe, if you will. Of course, the folding second row seat will open up that rear, and you can check out again the still pictures. I've got the tailgate open, the second seat in both positions, so you can see how it looks both ways. And remember, if you're located in the continental United States, we can assist you with shipping of this vehicle. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, but look at the depth of that paint. And again, I don't think it does it justice on the video or the pictures to when you see this in person. Riding on Pirelli P4s, chrome 5-spoke wheels. The chrome on this just pops too because of that paint color, I'm assuming, but just look at how nice that chrome is on it and the bright work. Again, look up and down the driver's side. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Nice and straight. Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now, like I said, this does have a key fob that will pop both driver and passenger door. Since I got the window down, I'm just going to reach in and open it up. Since the keys are in the ignition, I'll clean this door panel is all nicely done. Carpeting. Seats don't show much for wear at all. Now, like I said, you do have dual power seats. We've done a nice setup of this. There's your power seats for both sides, controller. If you want to get them set where you want them, just close it up. Right down here, if you see that switch, that's for the power windows. Now, take a look. Now, what you notice is just how nicely finished and clean the whole interior is kept to this. Light switch, wondering where that is for the lights. Down below, right here, just pull it down. There's also the wiper switch. Real easy to reach under there and control those. There's the miles since it's had its frame off restoration, 31,009 miles. Look how nicely they fit the AC vents, AC controls, retro style radio, but digital and more modern. It does work also. All right. Let's fire this up. I want you guys to hear this run. We're going to check out the engine bay because you know how nice that's going to look. By the way, headliner, also beautiful shape. Second row seating, also very nice. And kind of a travel trunk and a very discreet way to hide the battery in the rear also. So check that out in the still pictures. I'll give you that one more time. Where to see those at? Yeah, listen to that. Nice little rumble out of that small block Chevy. Remember, that is paired with 700R4 overdrive transmission. So this one's going to go down the highway nice. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped. You got to check out this engine bay. All right. Now again, look how clean everything is kept. Nice and neat. This build. Wow. So power brakes, power steering, AC. Look at the chrome. Painted to match, air cleaner cover, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. Look how smooth that runs. Underside of the hood, can't really tell, but it's finished off like the exterior of the car. HEI ignition hiding back there. What a beauty. 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon. House of Colors. Tangerine Candy. Wow, you want to turn heads? Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right to us. We do assist with transportation if it's needed. Financing is available.